Hello everyone, welcome to Zorba Reviews. I have made an earlier video on how to convert a 2.1 to 2.2. So I thought I will show you how to make 8.4. It might sound like not realistic or not technically correct, but let me show you how I'm enhancing my music experience by combining multiple speakers and balancing them. So if you are looking to have an impressive sound experience with combined of all your other speakers, so this video might be helpful for you. Do not skip, please do watch. I'm going to give you a detailed review on how to do this and how it's going to sound. So please don't mind the dust and the wires, it's really clumsy, I know, but this video is pending from very long time. I wanted to make it, I'm not able to find time. Usually I find time around 2 a.m 3 a.m, which is very unusual for me to make a sound on speakers. So please bear with me and please concentrate on the subject that I'm going to speak. Do not concentrate on the messiness of my house or my setup right now. I'm just making it as quickly as possible and do not mind my cleanliness over here, okay? I'm usually don't keep it this way. I'm just trying to show it to you and you will know reason why. Okay, first let me show you how my setup is. So I have a 60-year-old Philips speakers with its amplifier down there, and sorry for that, I have Philips speakers over there with this amplifier. This is a 60-year-old system. Hope you can see the amplifier down there. And I have eyeball soundbar plus subwoofer. This is a Dolby featured, it's turned on. I have kept it behind the TV to have the space. And I have edifier bookshelf speakers. One I have removed the cover, other I have kept. For the Philips I have removed the cover. I have JXL car subwoofer that I'm using for home. I have Texivu blaster with a 10-inch sub. I have Flowbeats dual tower speaker with 10-inch dual sub. Okay, in this video I'm counting them as 2 channel, 2 channel, 2 channel, 2 channel, and behind the soundbar 2 channel, and these 2 subwoofers as combined subwoofer. I can also use this as a sub, but I'm going to eliminate that. I do have one more sub, but that I'm not going to include it. The concept of the video is to make you understand how you can achieve a balanced and good sound using combined speakers that you have currently with you. And for this, do not use the USB speakers or any other cheap speakers. This will not give you the sound desired. Try to combine the best speakers that you have and you will be able to achieve what I'm trying to explain in this video. Hope you are able to hear what I'm hearing in real time, because I know replicating the same sound is impossible to do in your headset or with your home speakers, but the bass that you see here is very clear. There might be distraction for you in your hearing, but for me this is very clear, and I won't be able to play any other songs other than the no copyright songs. So bear with me, the bass quality might be that good in them, but like when you hear with other songs, it's really good. I'm almost getting a high-end tower speakers, which are really impressive tower speakers. That quality I'm getting in this. So first let me show you. So I have showed you the setup. So this one runs on a battery, car battery, which is powered by solar. So I have a solar setup which powers it, a panel here in the window, so it directly gets charged. Other speakers I usually run on my solar setup, Genus solar setup here. The panel is on the top. I even run my TV on that, but for this video I'm directly using it AC power. So I've connected all of them. They're all turned on, and they are kept in almost like 20% of their capacity volume. I don't want to blast or have uneven sound. That's the reason I have kept it everything in balanced. And for this I also have an audio splitter like this. All those input aux connectors are connected to this aux splitter, and this aux splitter is again connected to a DAC like this. This is to just give me enhanced bass and clear any distortion within my sound. And this is connected to my phone through another DAC. So I'm using 2 DACs to get the maximum quality out of my sound input. and I'm going to show you how it's going to sound. This is a very simple setup. You need to have just that splitter. You can avoid these two, but I'm keeping this to because I already have them and I can get more clear audio from them. That's the reason. So I'm going to play you some audio and show you how it works. Sorry for that, unable to focus my camera, but I think I'm audible to understand what I'm trying to explain here. So I'm playing. So once I play the song, what I'm going to do is I will take the mic to each speaker so that you can differentiate the sound. I will also keep the mic in a far distance where you can hear the sound as combined. Plus I will take it to each speaker and make you understand how sound is coming from each speaker. Okay, here we go. Do not mind if I talk in between. I just want to show you how I'm going to connect to the speaker and have it audible through the mic. Here we go. Hope you're able to hear what I did. This is a very simple setup, so hope this might help you to do your own setup like this to combine other speakers. Do not keep your spare speakers aside. Try to have them connected together so that you will get better sound quality than what you can get from a single speaker. Make sure that you balance both the speakers. One might have a higher power, one might have a lower power. Always keep the lower power one with less volume so that you won't get distorted with voice or with bass. Thanks for watching this video. Also check out my other videos which I've done on the speakers. Till then, bye bye, take care.